Understanding Blind Corner, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, blind corner. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enrich your language skills. Let's dive in. A blind corner refers to a corner, especially on a road, that is impossible to see around as you approach it. This means the driver cannot see if another car, pedestrian, or obstacle is coming from the other direction. It's a term often used in driving contexts but can be metaphorically applied in other situations. 1. Driving scenario. Be careful while driving through the mountains. There are many blind corners. 2. Metaphorical use. When starting a new business, you often encounter blind corners, situations where you can't foresee the challenges ahead. Direct context. I slowed down at the blind corner to make sure it was safe to proceed. Figurative speech. Embarking on this project feels like walking around a blind corner. We don't know what to expect. Blind spot. A part of the road that cannot be seen while looking forward or through either the rear view or side mirrors. Uncharted territory. Refers to something that is unknown or has not been experienced before. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, blind corner. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase effectively in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.